Hello everyone. So, do you really believe that you know how to use the replace face command at its best? Let's check it out in this video. So let's start. So here we have two models basically. First one is this and second one is this. So this is for the basic understanding of the replace command. Then we will switch to this model or this part to understand the advanced level of replace face command. So let's start. Now the command will be in the synchronous modeling group, and here you will find the replace. We are currently to the NX modeling environment. So I'm just going to hide this feature group first. Now let's focus on this part only. Now we have a yellow body here, and this is the blue color. Then we have pink color, then we have red and green. Why I'm telling you this? So that you can better understand that what we are doing here. Now just go to replace, and this is the interface which you will get while getting into the replace face command. Now here is the original face, and this is going to be the replacement face. Now what do you mean by the original face? Original face is the face which you need to be get replaced, whereas replacement face is the face up to where the face is going to be get replaced. Now if I just select the green face, this one, and going to select the red face as the replacement face, so the green face will come to the height of red face. This. Earlier it was like this, as you can see here in this picture, that earlier the green face was below to that of red face. Now they are at the same level. Now if I just again go to the replace face and choose the blue face as the original face and going to choose the pink one as the replacement face, then they will be at the same level and the face is going to be get consumed. That means the blue face is now the pink face. Why so? Because they are joined with each other and at the same time they are going to be at the same level. That is, they are going to be get consumed. So if I just do the undo like this, now you can see the green is now also not at the same level because I just pressed the undo. So I'm just going to redo this and again just going to redo this. So you can see now we have the pink face at this representation. Earlier it was like this. Now if I just again go to the replace face and going to choose the blue face as the original face and going to choose this yellow face as the replacement face. So the color is going to be again pink. Why so? Because all these three faces are at the same level. Now what I'm going to do, I'm again just going to have the replace face and I'm going to choose the blue face as the original face, then going to choose this face as the replacement face. Now click on OK. Now you can see all these three faces are going to be as yellow. Why so? Because this face are just going to get to this face. Let me just highlight them. This one are going to be at same level with this, because when it is going to get traveled, so it is just going to consume this one also and they are going to be at the same level. So this is how replace face command going to be get used. So again, just go to the replace face. Now we have completed with the understanding of original face and the replacement face. Replacement face is not going to change the location. However, the original face is going to change the location. Okay, so you have to keep that in mind, that what face is going to be get change its location. Like this is the face which I need to get changed, and I'm just going to use the green face. So just click on OK. Now you can see all these three faces are at same height or same level. That's why they share the same color. So this is how we can use the replace face at a very basic level. Now let's have the advanced level of this command. So I'm just going to have the no selection filter here and just going to turn on the feature group. So this is the part and I'm just going to use the replace face. Now in settings, we have three options. The very first one is regarding the automatic, and other three, or apart from automatic, there are three more. Like we have the extend change phase, then we have the extend incident phase, and then we have the extend cap phase. So these three are going to be get covered in this video. Now I'm just going to start with the overflow behavior, which is going to be the automatic. Extend either the modified faces or the stationary faces, depending on what gives the smallest change of volume or area. Okay, so this is, you can read also from the software when you are just going to practice about this command. So I'm just going to use this face, this one, which is the light lime color, and going to choose this one. And with this arrow, you can see here, this is going to be say as offset. So here we can just give an offset here like this. So this is the automatic. And if I just go to the extend cap face, so it will be like this. You can see here, this is just going to have the extension only like this. But if I just go to the extend change face, so it will intersect up to here as well. As we can see also in the definition that it says extends the faces being modified to form a complete intersection with the model. That is going to have the complete intersection with the model. Okay, and whereas in the case of extend cap face, so there will be a gap. And there is one more which says extend incident face. It says as extends the stationary faces when they intersect the faces being modified. Okay, so if I just create this situation, so this is how it is going to work. If I just, extend it, so it will be like this. So if I just give this, but here it is just going to have the intersection. That's why it is going to represent like this. So these three are going to impact the command, like extend change face, extend incident face. Okay, and one more thing, like if I just delete this, replace, and just going to suppress the unite or delete the unite. I'm just going to delete this. Now I'm just going to use the replace face command, and here I'm just going to have the extend change face. So I'm just going to use this and going to use this, and just going to have the extend change face here instead of incident. So as per the rule, this is what we should get like this, but we are not getting this. Why? Because this is not a single part. So the limitation, or you can say as the requirement of replace face for using the extend change face, is that the body should be single. Okay, so you have to take care of this. Like if I just unite this again, and I'm just going to have this face as the original face, and just going to use this as the replacement face, and going to extend change face in the overflow behavior. So it will give me the result like this. Earlier, it was not giving me the results with the extend change face. Why so? Because this whole body should be one. Okay, so this is how we can use the advanced features in the replace face of having the extend change face, extend incident face, and extend gap face. Gap face is basically just going to give you the gap. Okay, so this is all regarding the replace face. Do comment below and let us know if you do really know about these advancements of replace face. So that is all in this tutorial. I hope you have enjoyed the learnings. And if you have learned something new from this video, please do hit a like, share this video, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you so much.